Sewing and pressing a plain seam. We've got two pieces of fabric, 4x4 squares. We're going to place them right sides together. That means the pretty sides are touching. We're only going to sew one side, so that's one side we're going to line up. Double check. Yep, right sides are together. We take our pins and we pin where we know they go first, which in this case is going to be the corners. And you make the two corners go together. You're the boss there. I'm going to put one more in the middle and then that's it. You don't need 8,000 pins to sew something. Okay, now I put them in going perpendicular to the way I'm going to sew. Here we are. I'm lining up the raw edge with my 5/8 line on my machine. All right, press your foot down. I can slide the pin out because the presser foot has the fabric. Needle in, and I'm going to start back stitching. So to the top of the fabric, then forward, pause to slide the pin out, forward, keeping the raw edge on the 5/8 line as best as I can. So forward until you get to the end and then back stitch. All right. You really just have to go back a few stitches. You don't have to go forward again. That's just what happened to me in that moment. Okay, trim your threads. And we're going to measure to make sure that our seam is 5/8. So just take this tape measure, put a whole number on the stitches and count. Each of those little doodads is 1/8 of an inch. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one was almost 5, but it was good enough for me. All right, and a seam isn't finished until it's pressed. So we set the stitches one time like that, with the fabric pieces together. Now we're going to press them open. Okie dokie, now we're pressing it open. Just finger press it and then go in with your iron. All right, and you're going to push straight down for a few counts and then up, down for a few counts and up, down for a few counts. If you've got the steam function, this is just regular old cotton. There's nothing fancy about it, so we can handle steam. All right. You always want to make sure that you turn it over to the right side and press again. You can just do one press if everything turned out right.